What we have here is a few videos showing all the cool things you can find in your house with a FLIR thermal camera. We took these videos with the FLIR T865 with one of the new dual field of view lenses. In the first video you will actually see us switching the lens in real time with just a finger. In the first video you can see that there are a few sections behind the couch missing insulation. These show up as the darker blue colors on the screen. You will also see that the operator switches the lenses in the video and narrows the field of view. Can you spot the drywall screws and studs? In this next video we're taking a look to see how much of an impact door draft stoppers have. This was a relatively warm day out, but you can see a 10-degree difference after removing the door stopper. Bonus appearance from the dog. In the third video we're looking at a concrete floor. The darker stream you can see is the incoming city water line below the ground. The thermal camera is sensitive enough to locate exactly where it is under the concrete. This is very helpful for any major renovations. Incoming city water is about 14 degrees at this time of year. And lastly, we have a video showing a light fixture with LED bulbs, and then we compare it to an incandescent bulb. You can see almost a 30-degree difference between LED and incandescent. Finally, we can see the same light fixture when one bulb was an LED and one was an incandescent. The warmer bulb is on the left and is over 20 degrees warmer than the LED bulb. Thank you for watching. For any questions about FLIR cameras, or if you want to learn more, please contact Impact Technical Products today. We are here to help.